All right, so we just got this, and this is, we can get it out of the box. This is a board mount for the cameras. Or the, oh my God, this thing does not want to come out of there. This is the mounts for the GoPro, for a surfboard. So let's take a look at it. All right, let's see what we got here. They make it a little bit more difficult. All right, so here we are. Looks pretty good. It's got everything we need. Oh, this is good too. These are to keep them in there. Oh, you got to put these on here, like that. And they even came with this. All right, that's cool. Take it down to the beach. We'll try this out and see what we think. Yeah, on my new surfboard. I'm just going to put it in here for now. We'll go back in there. Oh, geez. Can they make it tighter? No, that's all right. We're taking this like it is. All right, so this is the board I want to put it on. So I want to put my board mount right about here, and that way it'll be looking up the board at me this way. So you want to try to get it as far up as possible so you're close to the nose right here. That'll give you the best look back on it. You follow me? So that's what we got to do. So let's go ahead and grab her. There they are. And I've got to get the one big one out. We'll put it here, and then the little one right next to it. All right, let's do it. So anyway, I got to get one of these larger ones out, just like that. I need that. I need the pad for it, which is this. All right, set that over there. Then we need to get a couple, one small one. All right, so I'm going to get this small one here. That one there, we'll keep that over here. And I need a small sticker to stick it on the board. All right, there we go. All right, so what we've got to do is I've got to adhere this to the back of this. So I got to peel this off, just like this. And this is where you got to get, you got to be kind of, you want to get it straight. So there it is. And now I got to get it right on there. So I've got to kind of like match it up, try to get it right on. Bam, got it, done. Okay, that baby's ready. Next one we got to do is this one, right? So I've got to take this side of it. I'm going to peel it. Just got to get it peeled. Bam, just like that, right? Try not to get my fingers on it at all. Now you got to match this little hole up, right? So you got to kind of get it so that it gets right on that little spot there, and then set her down. Bam, look, did it. How do you like those apples? Pretty cool, huh? So now we're ready to go. Now all I got to do is stick it on the surfboard, and right here, right? And then we'll, but I'm gonna just try to get some placement on it. Here's my problem, look. This, when I put it up towards the top, it's rocking, right? So the key is this has to be straight down the board. So I've got to find a spot where the board's fairly straight. See how I'm doing it? I don't know. Like I got to get all the way down on it to here. I want to be up here though. I mean, I could try putting it there. And then this one would go right here. You follow me? Just like that. But the question is see how this does that? It's not really stable there. It's kind of like, but maybe when I take the thing off, it'll be okay. So let's go ahead and try that. Right, so I got to get the sticker off of here. Which is a pain in the butt. Come on. Ah, there we go. All right, now we're ready to put it on. Now this is crucial because you got to get it straight, right? when I put this on, I've got to have that pointing straight down the board. And I want to try to get it right about there. There we go. Once it's on there, man, it's on there. You follow me? So now this is looking straight, kind of like straight down the board. So we got to make sure it's straight. So let's look and see if we did. I mean, I think we got it on there pretty good. I think that's going to work. Okay, now this, you could put, I was going to put it here, but I think I'm just going to put it right here. You follow me? Right there. Or I could put it over here, either side, because I screwed up. I should have had this facing forward. Oh well, what are you going to do? So let's do this one. So I got to get this off here, right? And then it really doesn't matter where I put it, as long as I get it on there. Oh, Jesus. Ah, there we go. Bam, done. And how you put this on doesn't matter, because you're going to put a string through it, you know what I mean? So I'm grabbing it like this, and I'm just going to smush it on there. Just going to get it right on there, like right there. That's all I need. Bam, done. Now we got them both on, we're ready to go ahead and do some videotaping. It does come with this line, and this line feeds through here and then attaches to your camera. So you get, what you would do is feed it through here, just like that. And this is like a safety device. And then you pull this through like this. And then we attach that to the camera. But I'm going to take that off of there for right now, because I won't be doing it today, I don't think, unless we get more wind. But I think that's going to work for us. And anyway, you can see I'm on here. I got this one set on there. I got that one set on there. And I think that's going to work pretty good. I got that one behind it, but, you know, yeah, it's still going to work.